guys, welcome to Trendy Unboxing. Today I have Balaji Moong Dal with me. But before that, if you are new here, do subscribe to us by clicking that subscribe button and do hit the bell icon to get all the notification from us. Now let's see what they have given on the front side of the packaging. This packet is available for Rs 5 and the net weight of this product is 22 grams. They have given the picture of Mung Dal, which looks quite attractive, and I must say they have used attractive colors for the packaging. Now let's see what they have given on the rear side of the packet. They have given the name of the product, that is Balaji Wafers Mung Dal. They have given the manufacturer's name, Balaji Wafers Private Limited, and the address. Got FSSAI license number. You have to keep away from direct sunlight and heat. Do not buy the bag if found damaged or open. They have even mentioned their website. Now let's see what are the ingredients they have used in this dal. In grams spirits, 84% edible vegetable oil palm oil, iodized salt 0.6%, black salt, and it's a proprietary food. Namkeen, you will able to see the nutritional information about the product. Energy 456 kcal, protein 20.5 gram, carbohydrate 57.4 gram, of which sugar 0.4 gram, fat 16.1 gram. They have used lesser fat, trans fat 0.2%, saturated fat 7.0. They have again given here the net weight and the cost of this product. The net weight of this product is 22 grams and the MRP of this product is Rs 5. They have given the batch number and manufacturing date, that is 12 November 2021, and it's best before 4 months from packaging. If you want to give feedback to them, then they have given contact number and email ID on packaging itself. Now guys, let's unbox the package and see how much quantity they have given exactly. If you consider for Rs 5, then the quantity is okay. And now I'm going to taste it for you. Taste wise, it's really nice. Moong dal is extremely light and high in protein. They are packed with plant-based protein and which are known to reduce weight. It goes very well with your daily food. You can eat this dal on daily basis as it has iron content in it and reduces the risk of developing anemia. It improves your immune system and reduces the risk of developing any diseases. Can you eat this dal at night? Yes, you can. It is easily digestible and it helps to balance the digestion process. But you have to make sure that you have at least 2-3 hours before you go to sleep. That's all in this video, guys. Do let us know your views in the comment section below and stay tuned to us by clicking that subscribe button. Thank you.